Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Dogecoin. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, if you're not sure what I mean by 4-hour, if you're new to charts, instead of each one of these candlesticks here, as they're called, representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So this here may look like a couple of months worth of time. It's actually just the past few weeks broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame, and does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Friendly reminder, cryptos are open 24/7. So if you're watching this video 15, 20 hours from now, then yeah, the chart's going to look different than what than what you're seeing here. But my goal here from the presentation standpoint is to keep this video relevant for as long as possible. So my goal here is to, like I said, walk you through some questions, and based on how you answer those questions, that'll dictate the current status of the chart. So as right now, yeah, there has been and there is a pullback that's currently underway, but it really just depends on what was your strategy going in. Meaning, if you're some sort of day trader, flipper, scalper, whatever you want to call yourself, and you bought right there, you bought right there, and your plan was to buy and sell within 25 minutes, well, then yeah, from that point of view, the chart looks really, really bad. Now, if you care about things from the bigger picture, like I said, yeah, from those highs, there has been a larger pullback. But the price does still have plenty of opportunity to chip away and build a higher base, and that's how long-term uptrends are constructed. So in my mind, the level that's really important. So ask yourself, whether you're watching this video 15 or 20 hours from now, but when you're watching this video, ask yourself, where is the price at relative to 0.044? Why is that level important? And I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but let's say the price comes down to 0.044 and then it's just hovering around that area. As long as the price stays above there, what is that still giving the overall chart? That's still giving the chart a set of lows here, a set of lows there, set of lows down there, and if you envision each one of those, and a little set of lows right there, and if you envision each one of those as stair steps, what do you have? Well, from the big picture, you'd still very clearly have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's how long-term uptrends are constructed, just higher bases being put into play over extended periods of time, and that's what that 0.044 mark is representing, just an overall low. And with that higher overall low, like I said, if you envision those as stair steps, then that is still suggesting that the bulls are still in full control of the overall movement. Now, if the price, and you're answering the question, well, Clay, it's 20 hours from after you did this video, I'm watching, and now the price is sitting way down here. At that point, that's a much different situation and a much more bearish situation. But like I said, as long as the price is above 0.044, that is what you want to see. So watch that, and as long as that's the case, the overall trend is still in the bulls' favor. But let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.